reminiscing those good old days. Laying back with a smoke and a 40, everything just seemed okay. Reminiscing those good old days.
Sitting back and relaxing, just can't get enough. So I got a blaze on up, smoking with my true chinkers. Yo, Pastor J, drinking Bud Light, getting high all day. Load up a bowl and twist a pipe. I'm thinking on the low, and I'm stuck through the whole night, chilling with the homies, and it's all good. This is how my chinkers do it. Up in the hood, crack a bottle and watch everybody waddle. We going loco, even without the lotto. Keeping it fresh on the West Coast. Raises glasses high as we make a toast. 209, tricking hoes down to Fresno. I'm trying to get a little something, and y'all already know. A little bump in the grind and turn up the beat and play the track. We in the backseat, bringing it back.
With the homies, everything just seemed okay. Reminiscing those good old days. Laying back with a smoke and a 40, everything just seemed okay. Reminiscing those good old days.
Yeah, I've been going through a thing or two. Real life hit you, sweep you off your feet and make you do a flip or two. Got me feeling like I'm trapped, living life by the second. I turn to weapons just to maybe retract from the misery and pain that's been holding me back. Keep your head up, the homie, go ahead and relax. I think I'm hearing Tupac telling me to go back. Go ahead and get your money up and count them stacks. But see, for one night, let's put them guns away. Grab some liquor, roll up, bleeze it, and get blow today. Put your worries to the side, call the brothers and kick it, and give a fuck about them haters who ain't really with it. So if you smoke good, go ahead and light it. And if the haters talking shit, ain't no need to fight it. Remember one thing, keep your head to the sky, and ain't a thing in this world that can fuck with your mind.
Every day just chilling with the homies, everything just seems okay. Reminiscing those good old days. Laying back with a smoke and a 40, everything just seemed okay. Reminiscing those good old days.
Getting drunk and high, watching time fly as the clock tick-tocking, time slipping away, drifting away. It's all G-double-O-D. All my chicas living it up and staying low-key. Mad love to all my dogs, juveniles to OGs. We gon' ball, we done did what we had to do in this life of sin. Through thick and thin, I'm bringing it back to you. Just remember where you came from. Young jinkies from the block, never got your hate on. Always down for whatever, y'all some down motherfuckers. So pour up some liquor, pass around to the brothers. Gotta celebrate for them good old days, with all my chicas here right by my side, puffing on my Newport cigarette. Homies to the fullest, chicas, we be blessed.
Every day just chilling with the homies, everything just seemed okay. Reminiscing those good old days. Laying back with a smoke and a 40, everything just seemed okay. Reminiscing those good old days. Every day just chilling with the homies, everything just seemed okay. Reminiscing those good old days. Laying back with a smoke and a 40, everything just seemed okay. Reminiscing those